This 2026 Nexus Ghost 38DS is a Super CRV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio, 44720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2026 Nexus Ghost 38DS is built on an International DuraStar chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.